Alright, so it starts off like this. Right? Then it goes. Alright, so let's go over what that was. So that's My Starter Won't Start by Justin Townes Earl. And yeah, it's a cool recording he did in a library. So the intro is really just so you're just doing upstrokes with your pointer finger. And you gotta do this with your face. You gotta go. It makes it sound better, okay? So then when you go So that is 14 on the B and 12 on the E. And you just slide to it. You just slide back. But a cool thing he does is like, and then you put your ring finger on the 14. He holds it and it'll go like, it'll just like play all the open strings. That's what it sounds like. And it'll go like, okay, sounds cool. So it's like so after I think that's what it is like. He just goes for an E, so it's like more or less. I feel like I hear like a bend like some vibrato, but yeah, I should have probably taken a better look at it, but oh well. This is all you're gonna get. Yeah, that sounds close enough. And then I'll go like. So then when he goes to the A7 chord, he's like. So that's 7. Remember, capo's on the 2nd fret, so that's 7. Alright, so you're going 7 on the B and letting the high E go, and then you're like, and then you're going to 5, and then 4. And then open B for the 2nd fret, 4th fret, and then you just want to wiggle that the best you can. He plays this B7 shape, but I guess it's a D flat 7, and it's interesting. So that's 4, 3, 4, and then the B and E string are left open. That's what it sounds like, right? And then he puts his glasses up like this, and then he goes. Then it goes into the song. Okay, so that's the intro. Just pentatonic stuff. Just picking it. He plays it different every time, I'm sure. Alright, let's just go with that. So after it's the chord, some pentatonics up, then the 5 chord, the B7, and then that lick I showed you. Alright, let's just go with that. And then the main riff is pretty cool, actually. It sounds better when you're turned up. If your acoustic has a pickup on it, oh man, it sounds really cool, you know. But yeah, so it's an E chord, well, an E shape chord, it's an F sharp, right, because of the capo. But for all intents and purposes, it's an E chord, E major. You just want to go. So you hit it, you lift the strings up, and then you hit it again. So that's the beat. So 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a wait. So 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2. So you're doing that slap on the 2 and the 4, okay? Very classic, you know. So if you don't want to do, if you don't like that, you could just go. So all that is, there's no Travis picking this. That's what's interesting about it. In the comment section of that song, people are like, no, he's using a looper, or like some dude was talking about, no, that's what you get for selling your soul to the devil, man. It makes you sound like two people. But he's not even doing any finger independent thing. He's not doing any like. He's not doing any of that. Okay, he can, but he's not doing that. So the thing that you have to remember is that there's no independence going on. So it's just like so 2, and then you do your pentatonic licks. So that's open E, and then 5. Right? 5, open, 5, and then E. Okay? So, but you're doing it with your pinky. Alright, so it's basically the same lick. Right, so then you just hold your pinky down. Do whatever you want, really, you know? And then you go. And so when you go, when you hit this, that's when you do the smack. So just practice that until it's natural. Look how easy it is. That's all it is. It's just faster. So now you switch to the A7, and that's just, you put your pinky right here on the 5th fret, so it's like. See, it's all related. So now you're going. So after you go. So you want to hit this note first on the E, and then you smack down. You lay the smack down, okay? Okay? So, oh wait, no you don't. You go. So you hit that first note's naked, and then you hit it with the A as the bass. So there we go. So then open E, then you're playing the B string while you're holding this A7 chord. Okay. And then you go. And that's kind of hard to do in the middle of all that, but you just have to practice. So now it's so like so so then after you go, then when you get to the, which is the same, once you get this pattern down on the E, you'll have this pattern down. So right after that you go. So you just go. So you get that? It's easy. And you want to get the notes to ring out somehow, so you gotta maybe go. And then whatever, he goes to this, and it's like, it's the same pinky thing. So you just have to practice it, all right? So I showed you how to play it. If I didn't explain it enough, you can always slow it down. You can slow me down to 0.25, all right? And that should be slow enough for you to really get it. But yeah, that's it. He played the song different every time. He played all his songs very different every time. So in the spirit of him, it's important to teach it that way. It's like nothing's set in stone, but that's just the basic way he kind of did it, you know, more or less. Probably leaning more towards the less, but yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoy that one. All right. See you next time.